Hey, what's up guys? Lex over here. I just want to tell you briefly about our Fix and Flip in a Circle, which is coming up in a couple of weeks. And this is an advanced coaching event only for our coaching students. But if you're interested in learning more about it, I do have a button below which you can click on. Essentially, at our Fix and Flip in a Circle, we're covering, of course, fixing and flipping, which is finding a house, buying it, fixing it up, and then selling it for a profit. But in addition to that, we also cover rental properties and the buy, repair, rent, and refinance strategy, which is buying a property, using a private loan from someone like me, fixing it up, renting it out, and then refinancing it, and then doing it all over again. And if you do it right, you should do it with no money down. And finally, we're also going to be covering Airbnb rentals. And we've got students that are making north of $100,000 per year on a single Airbnb, right? So we're going to be covering, in short, fixing and flipping houses and listing them on the MLS, buying rental properties utilizing the buy, repair, rent, refinance strategy, and buying Airbnb properties and putting them into the Airbnb program, right? So if you want more info on that Fix and Flip in a Circle, go ahead and click on that link below, and I hope to see you there.